Are you still creating 2D drawings to show dimensions in NX? What if I tell you that you can directly apply dimensions and annotations on the 3D model itself? One of my YouTube viewer has reached out to me on Instagram and asked, how can we apply PMI directly on the model in Siemens NX? So today I am answering that question in this video. First of all, thank you for reaching out. I really appreciate when you guys message me your doubts. If you also have questions like this, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I try to respond as much as possible. Now, let's jump into Siemens NX and understand how we can apply PMI, product and manufacturing information directly onto the 3D model. What is PMI? PMI stands for Product and Manufacturing Information. It allows us to add dimensions, tolerances, surface finish symbols, GD&T, and annotations directly on the 3D model without creating a separate 2D drawing. Now, how we can access the PMI in Siemens NX? So for that, first go to Applications, and if you are not getting the Application tab, for that, you have to just right click here and then you can activate the application tab from here. So currently you can see this is inactive. Now I'm just going to have this to be get activated. So now you can see application is now being activated. Now just go to document and here you will find the toolbox and you have to just have a click here, then just go to PMI. It will start the PMI interface. Now, after you activate the PMI, you will get the PMI tab here. If you still not get the PMI, you can see here and just activate it. Now just go to PMI and here you will get the dimensions. Here you will get the annotations. So this is how you can apply PMI directly on your 3D model in Siemens NX. It saves time, improves clarity, and makes your design more production ready. If this video helped you, comment PMI done below, and if you have any other NX doubts, drop them in the comments or DM me on Instagram. Your questions might become my next video. And this is exactly why I love this community.